Moreover, we still have some group of some special buildings. For example, the container building, and also the steel structure of buildings. That is very simple, nice to sit up and nice to close up, nice to transportation. So we move that building to everywhere. It's easy to carry out rather than we have to use everything by the construction operation.
Yes.
So that's easy to sit up. So,
and if you allow me, just one point of an interesting observation, if you allow me to make one interesting connection between places of worship, religious buildings, and art galleries, and travel hubs like railway stations. They share one feature in common, namely a shared experience. Places of worship, mosques and churches and cathedrals are places of religious worship, common shared experience. A gallery place exhibiting artwork, a place of shared experience between visitors. And again, travel hubs like railway station, a shared experience, people traveling home to visit relatives, a common shared human experience.
Alright, so what is that sound? Okay, that is our 3-dimensional printing. So that is quite new technology. We using that 3-dimensional model making to make and creating the model. So before we make the construction plan and details, we have to try to lay out our own design. So these things can show all of our designers what exactly we do, and if this thing better or worse, we can change or we can improve. So that is quite nice. But you know, this 3-dimensional printing will be taking 10 hours for each model. It's quite longer. So just so maybe later these things will be finished for printing. So we just go to this please. There is some of our project as a result. So, for example, like there, this one is kind of the residential buildings we're making. So we're making the communities. So of course, these communities will covered by all of